Hello, my name is Van Smith, managing partner here at Smith Strong, and today I'd like to talk to you about buy-sell agreements for businesses. You've devoted a big part of your life to building a business and watch it grow, and now it's time to hand off a portion or all of it to a trusted successor. Maybe that's your child or son or daughter. Maybe it's a family member. Maybe it's just a trusted, new, young partner that you've watched grow, and now it's time to award them the business in consideration for a lump sum or a combination of lump sum and a periodic payment each month for a number of years. At any rate, that is a buy-sell agreement. And when it's time to do it, let's make sure we do it right. We meet with business owners every day in this office to craft buy-sell and succession planning agreements. It's critically important. There are 10,000 baby boomers retiring every day in this country, and a number of them are business owners. Over 25% of our estate planning clients are business owners who, as we're drafting their wills and living trust and asset protection trust plans, we are also crafting for their business a buy-sell agreement or a succession plan for the business, transferring ownership, a part or a portion over a number of years, or in one moment for a lump sum or a periodic payment over a number of years to a trusted family member that has been in the trenches with you, learning the ropes of the business, or a partner that you're now handing the reins over to. It's our joy to do that. When you come meet with us, please bring your LLC and tax ID number, any operating or partnership agreements you have, a list of key equipment, leases, and accounts and where they are, and your accountant if you have one, or bookkeeper. It will be important for us to compile all this information and then provide you with a buy-sell agreement for you to review and approve. And then leaving that consultation by phone, Zoom, or in person, a date certain when you and your business partner, whether a family member or a long-term business associate, come to the table to sign. This can be done remotely as well, but oftentimes it's a celebratory event, and it's an event that new partner will remember for the rest of their life. And so we try to make it an occasion, with each of you having binders in front of you with ceremonial pens, and we take a photo afterwards to really celebrate the day. It may seem small, but it's a big moment in their life in particular. Let's do it right. Let's not wait till a crisis happens with health, emergency, a heart attack, a stroke, or death, and now your family is left trying to figure out how do we unwind and even begin to think about selling this company. Let's plan for it in advance. You don't have to have all the details figured out. That's a succession planning. But if you do have all the details worked out, that's a buy-sell agreement. And so whatever side of the ledger you're on, Van, this is where I'm headed if this should happen, succession planning, or Van, I've identified the successor, here they are and the terms that we have agreed to, buy-sell agreement. Whatever side of the fence you're on, we can help you. And it's our joy to guide business owners through the succession and buy-sell process as their committed partner and legal advisor. Thank you.